Okay, so one of the first grade core standards for math is to understand place value. For example, that 10 is made up of it's a bundle of ones. There are 10 ones in a bundle of 10, in a 10. And then 100 is made up of 10 groups of 10 or 100 ones. And in that 20 is made up of two tens or 21s, that kind of thing. So I think this math program is very effective in teaching that because what you can do is you can talk to your class teaching about that. You could say here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 ones, and that is the same as having one of these. If you put them all together side by side, that equals 10, 10 of these ones. And then after, you explain that and have that, knowledge very understood by your students, you can also use this program to solve problems. So here it says to use blocks to show 6. And what you can do is have your students talk about it, maybe have them have blocks at their own table. And what they can do is solve the problem on their own, at their desk. And you can have them work in groups, maybe, put them into groups, small groups, and have them figure out what it would look like to have 6. And then have someone call on a student from the class to come up and show the whole class. Maybe you could put this, on the projector and have someone come up and show the whole class how they found 6. So have them go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay, you did it. And so you can also go down here, do next problem. You can do 7, here it shows 7. Here it shows, says to show 74. This one's a little more difficult, so you could have your students collaborate, and then once again, have them figure it out before, and then have someone volunteer to come up and show the whole class. And then you could show them here, instead of doing 74 ones, you could do 7 tens, so that equals 70, and then 2, 3, 4, 74. And then like you can move these around, make it more visually appealing. But I think this would be a very effective way to teach students, and also would give them the opportunity to come up and show their knowledge, and in front of the class. I think a lot of children really enjoy doing that and enjoy learning in a more tactile way. And I think this is a good opportunity for them to do that. So that's it. I thought this is a really good resource.